The high-pressure fuel pump is the heart of the EcoDiesel fuel system. Its job is simple but critical. It takes low-pressure diesel from the tank and compresses it to extremely high pressure before sending it to the injectors. Most EcoDiesel engines use a CP4 pump design. The CP4 pump is efficient but sensitive. When it fails, it often does not fail quietly. This is why EcoDiesel high-pressure pump symptom awareness matters so much. I owned an EcoDiesel that ran beautifully for years. Then subtle changes started. Cold starts felt off. Acceleration felt inconsistent. I dismissed it as bad fuel. During a routine filter change, I noticed fine metallic dust. That moment changed everything. A dealer inspection confirmed early CP4 failure. Because I caught the EcoDiesel high-pressure pump symptom early, the repair stopped short of injector damage. It was still expensive, but it could have been catastrophic. That experience taught me one lesson. Pay attention to small changes. Many diesel enthusiasts compare CP4 pumps to older CP3 designs used in Cummins engines. CP3 pump Cummins failure symptoms typically include gradual pressure loss, external leaks, less catastrophic internal damage. CP4 pump failures tend to be more destructive due to internal metal shedding. This comparison explains why EcoDiesel high-pressure pump symptom awareness is so critical. Stop driving immediately if you notice sudden loss of power, engine shuts down unexpectedly, metal flakes in fuel filter, loud mechanical noise from the pump. Continuing to drive can turn a pump replacement into a full system overhaul. EcoDiesel engines deliver excellent torque and efficiency, but they demand attention. The EcoDiesel high-pressure pump symptom signals are usually subtle at first. Catching them early can mean the difference between a manageable repair and a total fuel system replacement.